Now, when we shift our focus to the double circulatory system found in humans, we see that it works through two separate loops, the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. First, let's look at the pulmonary circuit. In this pathway, deoxygenated blood, shown in blue in the diagram, returns from the body and enters the right side of the heart through the vena cava. It moves into the right atrium and then the right ventricle. From here, the heart pumps this blood out through the pulmonary artery and sends it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Once it becomes oxygenated, represented in red, it travels back to the heart, entering the left atrium and then the left ventricle through the pulmonary vein. Next comes the systemic circuit. The left side of the heart now pumps this oxygen-rich blood into the aorta. The aorta distributes it to all parts of the body, except the lungs. As the blood flows through the body's capillaries, it delivers oxygen to the tissues and collects carbon dioxide in return. After completing this journey, the deoxygenated blood makes its way back to the right side of the heart through the vena cava, and the whole cycle begins again. This double circulation keeps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood completely separate. Because of this separation, the system works much more efficiently, one of the key characteristics of mammals. In mammals, this type of circulation means that the blood passes through the heart twice during one complete journey around the body. The first loop is the pulmonary circulation. In this route, deoxygenated blood travels from the heart to the lungs, where it receives oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Once it becomes oxygenated, it returns to the heart. The second loop is the systemic circulation. Here, the heart sends oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body. After the tissues have received oxygen and nutrients, the blood becomes deoxygenated and makes its way back to the heart to start the cycle again. Because the heart pumps the blood 2 times, once to the lungs and once to the rest of the body, this system maintains a higher blood pressure. This allows the transport of oxygen and nutrients to be fast and efficient. In mammals, this is made possible by a 4-chambered heart. The right side handles deoxygenated blood coming from the body and sends it to the lungs, while the left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the entire body.